Yeah, we back with season 3 of Baltimore Ravens franchise after two very, very, very disappointing seasons. We went 17-17, 2 years, 10-7. The first year missed the playoffs because of a tiebreaker, I guess. And second year we went 7-10, which y'all should see in our last video. We going into the draft. We need a tight end. This seems like that's a 4.5-star tight end. Lucky we could go for a lineman. We have the weapons. Quarterback? No. We should honestly just go for defense or lineman. If I see a 5-star, I'm going for it. Four. What's the 4.5? I'll take the 4.5. 4.5. For 3.5. We'll take them with our 2 first-round picks. And here we could take Dorsey. That's our full roster. He has good potential. He has good potential. Yeah, those are good potential players. They just need to develop. Now, let's see what we can do. And look like we lost the first game of the season because we're some bums. We are bums. Alright. I'm trying to get as many CC as possible. Can we build a winning organization? Okay, we're 0-2, but we are second place in the division. Which, if we can get another weak division, I feel like we can sneak in and make noise. But we can't lose for a few weeks. We gotta step our game up. Third quarter, we lost. 0-2 and 1 ahead of us. We're still not in the final place. So, I'm not mad. We have the weapons. Bonham, you gotta be. If Bonham's doing good. He has what, 7 touchdowns, 6? Yeah. Yeah, that's only 1 to 4. Okay, that's fine. Come on, please beat Miami. Please beat Miami. We might legit not make the playoffs to season 4. Which I need to get a Super Bowl unless I'm just not gonna get a Super Bowl. Because I need to at least I'm at least going for 20 Super Bowls. I don't think I'm 5 people. I think I can 4 people. Finally, we gotta win. We're not last in our division because we have a weaker division. Who do we have to resign this year? Another quarterback. That's kind of why I'm not spending that. He's making 18 mil. Who else do I gotta resign this year? The linebacker. Okay, let's boost. I'm gonna boost his morale before the season's over. Just so I can. Okay, we can beat Chicago. That might be. Come on, don't lose to Chicago. Yes, sir. Yep. This wide receiver is making me mad. He is so injury prone. Mayor, I'm glad we got Bonham. Bonham finna be getting fed because freaking Mayor wanna be injury prone. Yeah, I mean he did catch the ball 16 times. He has caught the ball 286 times. Jeez, bro. Bro, you're injured. What the freak are you doing anything other than like getting rehab? Hopefully we don't let the Steelers. Yeah, the Steelers, bro. I see why they suck. Look at their overall 2-star offense, 1-star defense. We're the best team in the division, but yet we're in second place. 578 yards. He did throw an INT, but I'm not mad at that. Okay. Okay. We should win this game too. Just by realism, we won. We sitting right there, y'all. The Jets have 2 ties, which is helping Vegas get in the playoffs. Hold up, y'all. Yeah, I'm recording like one of these series is a at a time. So I'm recording all this the next morning after doing the Cardinals. If y'all know, if we can push Cincinnati down, we can. Okay, we can. Now it's just between us and Cleveland. We have a 3-game advantage over them. Probably no, it's more like 2.5. But they have a game more than us. But we're ahead. Okay. All right. 5-4. We gonna meet the owner. I need the CC. Give me the money. I feel like Meyer after 3 years could probably be in the Hall of Fame for the Ravens. We could start to need the fans up a little bit. As a matter of fact, he's back. Okay, he's back. Yeah, he missed 3 games. I can't be mad at that though, cause shoot, they did. He's getting record-breaking numbers. All right. Ooh. Okay. If we beat Cleveland, we beat Cleveland. I don't. Ooh. Okay. I guess. Okay. Don't get stamina. We'll worry about tackling later. Indianapolis, what's their record? They suck. Come on, give me the money. 58. Holy, that points differential is crazy. I'm almost certain we have the best in the league. Means got injured. But Means, while he's over there talking crap, sitting on the bench, I gotta resign him. So don't make me mad. But Bro's actually getting good reps. He got 66 touches of 646 yards, 7 touchdowns. In his career, he already has 17 touchdowns in only 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. Off the bench. That's very good off the bench. Some people don't get that in 2 years. Okay. We're right. We're teetering on the brink of becoming a Super Bowl contender. We got to praise bro for playing retro ball. Gotta play the game, man. Okay. I don't really trust our outfits. Okay, we won. Here's how crazy this is. If we lose, Cleveland slides right up there between Houston. They slide right up to the 3 seed from this 5 seed. So the margin for error is extremely low. Do we play Cleveland again? No. You do have Pittsburgh. This is just a stat pad game. They might legit go 117. We gonna praise the fans. The fans actually going up this year, which I love. Yeah, we got 2 rookie defensive linemen. 2 4-stars, actually. We play at 11-4 Houston. They literally like right there with us. They could take this game. I really don't trust us. Okay. We gonna turn the sim off. We gonna get y'all a little gameplay in here. I know my receivers. Okay. Means. I know you're not actually gonna get no reps. But you coming off the bench we ever lose, if like it is five, if I ever needed to lose, if I ever lost his running back, oh my goodness, McManus. If I ever lost his five, okay, 55 seconds. All right, we back. Y'all didn't miss nothing. Probably won't even notice it. Other than my audio. Okay, we got to tip bro over the top. Bono. He got the Jets. I just need a receiver with max speed, max stamina. This is the risky thing. Oh, that throw, bro. The throw, bro. Pete. They blasted us, bro. We could have been the 1 seed, bro. Is Cincy in the playoff picture? Yes, we finna knock them out. Please score. Yes. Okay. Game. Get them out. We got 3 seed. Okay, we just wasn't gonna jump Houston. Okay, we lost like 20% fans for a loss. We play Cleveland. We officially reached 500, but I'm pretty sure if I go back and look, wait, I only lost 35 games in 5 years. I only could lose 12 games in the next 2 years. I lost 14 1 year. No, this team has been historically nice. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a big dub. We smacked Cleveland. Please don't be like, yeah, we smacked Nick Chubb and Myles Garrett. Oh yeah, y'all, I got y'all. I don't know when y'all gonna see this, but probably I think the last one set to release on the 18th of August. So y'all gonna see this August the 21st. No, this is the 3rd episode. So y'all gonna see this on August the 27th. Y'all gonna see the 1st episode of this series on August the 21st. We play Houston. H-Town. Boy, these boys. They. First playoff appearance, bro. Really? This team was loaded. This team is loaded. He got the Jets. We're not gonna cut back though, probably. I mean, it's on medium, so it's not like okay. We're down by 2. We kind of actually needed to do that. Wait. Oh my goodness. Running back. Dillard. Oh my goodness. But y'all gonna see this probably August the 27th. I'm recording this on August the 3rd. So this is a whole 3 weeks early. Which I'm only doing this because I have school starting, as I've mentioned in a previous video that y'all gonna see before this one comes out. And I'm gonna have to start doing work, so that's stuff. Then I'm gonna have to start back with the NBA Live promo or just random team videos and stuff. So, bro, no, I don't think I should have scored there. But, and then we got Madden Mobile 25 dropping, which absolutely looks sick. Yeah, I'm gonna be coming to y'all with some season mode that immediately after it releases. Probably the same day. Touchdown, Bonham. Yeah. Nah, kneel it. Just kneel it, bro. We are AFC Championship bound. Holy. I'm assuming we're going to play Miami. Just off the bat, I'm assuming we're playing Miami. Okay, that's a good. Oh, they haven't. Yeah, yeah. They have a squad. Nope. They're gonna score. Yeah, no, there's no point. We lost. We lost in the AFC title. There's no point. I see on the first half. So we're not gonna go to a Super Bowl. We won a Super Bowl in year 3. Hopefully we can try to. This team was loaded. We had the 3 and the 4. To hear Bonham on OPL 1. I see what 225 tackles. We went on a 4. We lost in the playoffs, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. That was a solid season. We're 2-1 in the playoffs. Teams want me as their coach. But I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.